Welcome to the beginner's guide on how to find trades using pre-market and post-market pages on Barchart.com. In this video, we'll explore how pre- and post-market trading sessions can reveal valuable insights to help you stay ahead. We'll cover everything from spotting unusual volume to price changes to find the top gainers and losers. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to find potential trades before and after the bell. So get ready to take some notes and let's dive in. First, let's have a look at Barchart's disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. To get us started, it's important for you to understand why pre-market and post-market data matters. These trading sessions provide a sneak peek into stock movement before and after the regular trading day. Whether it's earnings, news, or after-hours volatility, these sessions can be full of insights for savvy traders and investors. The amount of data and information can be overwhelming, so let's break down how to navigate these pages like a pro. From the home page, click the Stocks tab where you'll find Barchart's pre-market and post-market pages. At the top, we'll have stock futures and foreign markets, which can give you early read on global sentiment, helping you see if global events might impact the U.S. markets. Next, we have the most active stocks. Here, you'll find the stocks with the highest trading volume outside of regular market hours. High volume in the pre- or post-market trading sessions can signal news-driven moves or institutional activity. Moving on, we have the top gainers and losers section, showing which stocks are moving the most up or down. Top gainers can highlight stocks with strong positive momentum, while top losers might indicate bearish trends or stocks reacting to negative news. And finally, we have gap ups and gap downs, where stocks that are significantly higher or lower than the previous close. Gap ups could signal strength or buyer interest, while gap downs might suggest sell-offs or overreactions to negative news. Now that you understand how to navigate these pages, let's take a closer look at how you can read and understand this data, starting with the mini chart view. This feature allows you to quickly visualize price action for any stock on the list, giving you an at-a-glance look at trends or possible reversals. You can also switch to additional view options. So if you're into technical analysis, switch to the technical view for even more insights. Here, you'll find popular indicators like the RSI or Relative Strength Index, which helps you spot overbought or oversold conditions. And to streamline your trading, you can also screen this data to narrow down your top picks. Adjust Barchart's custom filters to isolate specific criteria, and then click to get results instantly. Once you've honed in on your preferred list, save it as a custom watch list. Give it a name, and then monitor these stocks throughout the trading day. Now that you know how to navigate these pages like a pro, let's break down how to use all this information and data to guide your trades. One of the most powerful indicators is volume, and Barchart's most active gives us a full list of opportunities. High volume in pre-market and post-market trading can signal that major price moves are on the way. When you see unusual volume, especially if it's accompanied by a price movement, it can indicate a big opportunity. Let's say you're looking for a stock with a large increase in pre-market volume with an earnings event coming up, or a stock with high volume from a previous day's price increase. This suggests that a lot of traders are getting involved, which often leads to price volatility during the regular session trading. We can also click on the ticker to find out what's moving the stock. Scroll down to news and headlines, and here we'll get the top stories behind the stock where you can get the full read. Next up, Barchart's top gainers and top losers are excellent for spotting the biggest market movers in pre-market and post-market trading. Here, you can get a list of stocks that have experienced the largest price movements, and often they will continue trending when the regular trading session begins. You can click here for the mini chart view to get a closer view of possible trend setups, or change the time frame to see the bigger picture. If you notice a stock in the top gainers list with unusually high volume, that could indicate momentum for further gains. Conversely, stocks in the top losers section might be candidates for a short trade or put options. Next, major changes in price or gaps is another key metric to track for trades. In the pre- and post-market, stocks that experience large price swings can give you insight into market sentiment. A sharp move upward could signal bullish sentiment, while a drop may give us bearish views. Let's click here to give us a closer look. By reviewing these gaps, you can spot stocks experiencing unusual sentiment shifts. For example, we can see that Tesla is experiencing a gap in price with large volume. So let's take a closer look. We can pull up the interactive charts to get a visual of this gap. High gap changes can suggest volatility or increased interest, giving you insights into possible momentum plays or reversals from oversold on RSI. So let's say you're an options trader and you want to trade this setup. We can go over to options flow to find potential trades. Here, we'll look for high volume or increased open interest for potential candidates for early morning trades in the upcoming session. When we see something we like, we can save it to our watch list. And by tracking this early momentum, you can catch potential rides on the price action when the regular session opens. And we can use all these same strategies to find trades after the bell with Barchart's post-market page, where you can find key data that helps you identify potential trades for the next day, like most active stocks, or top gainers and top losers, giving an overview of stocks that move significantly after the regular trading hours. And by analyzing the gap ups and gap downs, you can gauge market sentiment that may carry over into tomorrow's trading session. And as always, you can save and track these trades on your custom watch list. And that's it. You're now equipped with the tools to find great trade opportunities using Barchart's pre-market and post-market data. Remember, combining key metrics like volume, technical signals, and price changes will give you a strong edge. Start using these key features today and be ahead of the game before the market opens and after the bell. If you found this information helpful, hit that like button and share with a friend. Plus, drop us a comment with any suggestions or questions. We'd love to hear from you. And before you go, subscribe and hit the bell to turn on your notifications for more trading and investing tips from Barchart.com.